YouTube, how you doing today? Here's an iPhone 7 here, and it's not charging. You try and put in the charger, and the charger will not stay in. Try and force it in. It just will not stay in there. It will ding, and then it stops. So the problem is, in this phone has pocket lint, and it's full of pocket lint. This is what you use to remove your SIM card. You can put anything that is small and sharp, and you see all that stuff that just came out. It's probably years of accumulation. Just do that one more time. Just keep on doing that. Now I can start to feel the walls of the USB port. I can feel the walls of this. I think it's clean now. I'm gonna try the charger again one more time. That's actually pretty nasty. So grab the charger and try and plug it in. There you go. So now it's charging. You see? It's now charging. If you look on the top right there, the phone is charging. So you might just have pocket lint. Try and put something sharp in there, something small, put it into the charging port, and just try and clean it out. Well, I hope this video has been beneficial. If it has been beneficial at all, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please like and share. Thank you for watching. Ta-ta.